they'll roll over like that, give you that slap. You want to have that big bend in the rod to kind of take that up. And when he starts pulling hard,
this thing starts to take line.
Oh yeah, he'll take line when he pulls hard. Put your hands up on top of the rod.
He's pulling pretty fucking
There
hard.
you go. Yeah, he's getting lines. See the lines coming off the reel now.
Oh yeah.
When he's pulling like this, now's your time to rest. Straighten this arm out. So you're like this, yeah. And put your other hand on the rod up above it though. That way you can get a little bit more. And then lean back a bit. That's right. So add some pressure. Get this part of the rod down. Bending down here. Yeah. Strengthen the pressure. And then that's the way. Turn with them. That's the way. Go right to the back of the boat now so you're not doing all this stuff. Try and lift them up a bit.
They're heavy, eh?
Now try and lift them again. That's right. 2 hands up there. Nice. Oh, yeah. That's a nice fish. Pretty nice fish. It's nice when you get to see him. You know what you're up against. Yeah. There you go.
God, I haven't seen you work this hard in a long time.
Actually, he's pulling harder than that fill fish. Yeah.
They're fucking just massive, these things.
You want a belt? You okay?
Yeah. The rod butt does get harder.
Yeah. Shot his nice little going glass. That's the idea. Nice work. Take us to that sweet little honey hole here.
There you go. Because of how they're built, that line, when he's like this, he's swimming upright, the line's going around the side of his head to his mouth. And when he kind of slacks up on his pressure, or gets caught off balance, he'll spin so his mouth comes up. Right? Well, when he rolls like that, he gives you this much slack like that, right? And that's why all of a sudden you be pulling and all of a sudden, whoa, comes way up here, and then all of a sudden you're tight him again. That's why we want to make sure we have that real nice big bend in there like that. Quite often you'll see when they start getting tired, you'll see a big whoosh of bubbles. There's the bubbles right there. You see bubbles coming up? Right on cue. And that means he's getting tired. That's called, he's called dropping his air. Oh yeah, beauty. It's almost white. Stay right where you're at there.
Yeah, it looks right on the side of his mouth. Yeah, it looks on the side, yeah.
Not hooked by much, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Did good on that jump, holding that, got that weight out of the water, it was perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to get a little slack on here. Okay, I want you to come this way and then back up there and keep the rod up nice and high in the air with some tension on it. Wow.